Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name's Chelsea, and if you're new around here, we like to do beauty related content on this channel. If that's something that you like, then please hit subscribe, and if you're already subscribed, then please click on the little bell and you'll be notified of every time that I upload. I finally have a new microphone. I've tried to film multiple videos and my audio cuts out halfway through, so I'm hoping it's fixed and it's because I needed a new microphone, which is what I've got now. So this will be the second time that I've actually filmed this big haul, and yeah, I'm hoping it actually works this time because I do want to get this video up, start creating more content again, because I feel so guilty when I don't upload YouTube videos. So yeah, so just mind the whole mess that we're looking at the moment, because I am literally dripping with sweat. We have another heat wave at the moment in the UK, and it is so tough to just sit in here with no fans on. I've got the windows open, so if you do hear like noise outside, I'm really sorry, but I am melting. Like, I've got my fan, wait there. I've got sweaty upper lip already. I've literally got minimal makeup on as well. I just got a bit of bronzer and like bronzer drops and a little bit of highlighter on and stuff like that. So, but mind you, in this viewfinder, I actually look a bit sunburnt. It's not, trust me. But yeah, anyway, we've got a massive haul, and we've got loads of stuff from NARS, Iconic London, PLOUISE, ABH, Patrick Tar, Attitude Cosmetics, like literally so much stuff. So if you want to see what I got in this big old haul for the month of July, then please stay tuned. So first things first, I'm going to start off with Attitude Cosmetics. What just fell? The owner of Attitude Cosmetics had a little bit of a break, but she's back in action, and I've been eyeing up this palette for the longest time. So I finally got my hands on the Phoenix Born from the Ashes eyeshadow palette, and I'm so buzzing about this, but look at that packaging. Now this has given me Jamin Eve, who's an American author. She's wrote like the Shadow Beast collection of books and stuff like that. I like all like fantasy books and stuff, and this is just giving me that vibe. So if anyone is a Jamin Eve fan, then please comment down below, because I absolutely love her books. So I finally picked up this palette. So this is a 25 shade premium eyeshadow palette, and I actually have a discount code with Attitude Cosmetics as well. It's not affiliated, but it just gives you 10% off the website. But yeah, this says it's got 25 gorgeous eyeshadows and 5 unique textures, 10 buttery easy to blend mattes, 10 gorgeous reflective shimmers, 2 diamond high definition foils, 2 brand new multi-chromes, super pigmented shifting colours, and 1 luxurious marble cream. So many different textures in here, which sound amazing. The only thing is, one shade did arrive smashed, so I've just got to be careful when I open this. But I am going to just repress it, but I just want to show you what it looks like without getting the broken eyeshadow on my carpet. You can see that that one's smashed, but this is what it looks like, and you've got some beautiful multi-chrome shadows in here, which I'm so excited to play with. So I am going to do a video on this palette, so if you want to see that, then do stay tuned. And with that, so Attitude was the first cake liner brand that I tried, and she just launched some new ones, and I believe this is one of the new ones. So this is in the shade Sensation, and I just thought it would go really nice with the palette, plus she had a massive sale on the website as well. But this is what it looks like, and oh my god, just look at that reflect. I just think this, like a nice fiery makeup, would just go unreal with that palette. And with my order, she also placed in a free little sample bottle of her Glow Getter oil, which I'm really excited to try. But how cute is this little bottle, please? Unreal. So I actually picked up 3 of the NARS foundations in the Natural Radiant Longwear foundation in Stromboli, Valencia and Salzburg, because I'm starting to build up my kit to do like clients and things like that, and I know this is a fan favourite. This is the foundation that we used when I went to the PLOUISE Academy, and I love NARS foundations. And talking of 3s, I've picked up 3 of the Made by Mitchell blushes. So these are the Dreams blushes. So this was the first bundle of 3 that was released. I bought it on TikTok shop, obviously, because it was like 3 for £17, but now it's quite annoying, because now I think he does like the full bunch for £17, which if I just waited a couple of more days I could have got, but you know, I'm impatient. So the first one is Darling Peach, and then we've got 1998, which is like a beautiful yellow, and Love Lies, which is a beautiful like periwinkle lilac-y, yeah, like a periwinkle lilac, if that makes sense. I don't know. You can wear them on your eyes, chips, cheeks and lips. These two are the sort of colours that I'd wear on my eyes as like a base, and then the peach one would definitely be lips, cheeks or eyes. So yeah, I really want to be able to collect all of them because he's releasing so many nice shades, but I don't use them all to warrant collecting them all. I don't know, it's a difficult situation, but yeah, I just love the formula of those. And I picked up a Body Shop item, so this is the bronzer Shimmer Waves, and I absolutely love these bronzing bricks. I've got the blush one and this is the bronzing one, and it just looks beautiful, especially on like sun-kissed skin or like just proper summer vibes. I've just been wearing it loads and a lot of people have been complimenting, saying how glowy my cheeks look. So yeah, definitely if you're going to pick something up from Body Shop, I would definitely recommend either the bronze Shimmer Waves or the coral Shimmer Waves, which is like the blush version, and they just look so beautiful on the cheeks. I've got a lot of cheek stuff in this haul, so I picked up two of the Charlotte Tilbury Beauty Light contour ones. So we've got the contour one in shade Fair Medium, and then I've also got the blush wand in Pinkgasm, the pink one. It is beautiful. I wear it quite often, to be honest, because it blends out so nicely. The only thing is, I just don't really like the packaging because that spongy bit is giving me like ick vibes. So yeah, I'm not too keen on the sponge applicator. And then we've got the Fair Medium contour wand, which I feel like if you're going to buy these, I'd go a shade darker than what you'd normally go, because this is probably normally my shade, but it does blend out like to non-existent, but it does build up quite nicely, so it's like hit and miss really. And then more cheek stuff, especially from TikTok shop. So I got 3 of the P. Louise The Cheek of It Flirty Flush of Colour Liquid Blush, and this was on a bundle for free for £10 on the P. Louise TikTok shop. And I got Legally Pink, which is the bright pink shade, which is like the liquid version of that famous Dior blush that I just absolutely obsessed with, even though I don't have that blush, but I have every other dupe that you can think of. And then we've also got Sun-Kiss Miss. This is Sun-Kiss Miss, which is like a slightly darker version, and then Melon Mood, which again is so beautiful as well, and it's like a corally pink. But yeah, absolutely beautiful. And then I also got from P. Louise, I got 3 of the lashes, because I think these are 3 for £10. So we got this style, which is Sassy Season, A Flicker of Hope, and this is Censored. And then I also got 2 of the P. Louise lip bases. Now these are unreal. If you've not tried the lip bases, get to know, especially if you're a makeup artist as well, because the applicator is a lot more sanitary than like other lipsticks and stuff like that, and they wear so nicely on the lips. They're very thin, lightweight formula, but very pigmented. So yeah, definitely recommend these. So I've got the shade Can't Resist and Baby Doll. So let me just swatch them now for you. This is the shades there. So that one's Can't Resist and that one is Baby Doll. So as you can see, the Can't Resist, the top one, is more like of a beigey nude, and Baby Doll is just a hint of a pinkier nude. Then I finally picked up an e.l.f. Luminous Putty blush. So this is in the shade Elise, and it's like a really gorgeous like corally pink blush. It's got quite a balmy texture. The only thing that I don't like about these blushes is how small the pots are, because I think it's really hard to get your brush in. And then I picked up 2 things from Primark Beauty. So we've got the Flawless Glow, which is like a Charlotte Tilbury Hollywood Flawless Filter dupe, and this is in the shade Buttermilk. This was only £5, which is amazing. And then it also got a cream blush stick as well, which I have to be careful because the packaging of this is faulty, but I believe this was only £3, and I think it's starting to melt, to be fair. But this was giving me like Huda cream stick blushes. It was giving me that vibe. And then we've got it's actually a really good dupe, to be honest. I think I prefer it to the collection one, the collection dupe, but I've still yet to try the e.l.f. ones. I'm waiting for it to come onto Beauty Bay. As you can see, it's just giving it a really subtle natural glow, but it actually wears quite nicely as well. So if you're looking for an alternative to the Charlotte Tilbury Hollywood Flawless Filter, then definitely look into your Primark and see if you can pick one of those up. And then another product that I've been loving, which is kind of like a flawless filter dupe, yet it's not really that much cheaper, to be honest. I think it's about the same price, if not a couple of quid less, and it's the Iconic London Radiance Booster. This wears so nicely underneath your makeup. It's just like a glowy, I don't know what it is. I think it is like a Hollywood Flawless Filter when you don't quite know or can put your finger on what it is, but you just wear it underneath your foundation. You can wear it as foundation. It says you can be worn either alone or under foundation for the next generation glow. So this is in the shade Champagne Glow, and I really like this packaging as well. It's quite bougie, but it comes with like a little pump. and it just gives you a nice like a little tint of a glow as well. But yeah, I've been wearing this quite a lot underneath my foundation for when I've been going out, or just as foundation on like days that I was going to work. And then speaking of foundations, I finally picked up the Dior Backstage Face and Body Foundation. So this is in the shade 1N, and I bought this off of Vinted actually. It only cost me £18, which I believe is like half price because she said she only swatched it. I've been wearing this just on like light makeup days, which is most days to be honest, and it is so nice. It wears really nicely, it blends out beautifully, it's so lightweight, and yeah, I definitely need to stock up on this. My skin actually looks horrible right now, but look at that glow. That is the Made by Mitchell, one of the blush lights in Nova Nights. Look at that. I literally put the tiniest bit on as well. I picked up this little set, which is an ABH set, and I picked it up from Beauty Bay. So it's a mini matte and dewy duo complexion set. So it comes with a mini loose setting powder and a mini dewy set. I really wanted to try the powder, so I thought this was a good way. It was a lot cheaper than obviously buying the full size, but I feel like these little powders do last you for ages anyway. Like my Hourglass one is I've had for ages, and I'm not even near finished yet because I only use a little bit of powder to be honest. But then I also with this I got the dewy hydrating spray, so yeah, I'm excited to try this out. Another TikTok shop buy from Pink Honey this time, and it's the Flutter Babies Dewy Butterfly Beauty Blender Duo. See, there's two soft squishy sponges designed to fit in the contours of the face, and then with that I also picked up, so it came as like a bundle, but these are the Baby Winks Pink Honey lashes. So they're like half lashes, if you can see that. They're luxury lashes, and really want to try that. And this, I think this set was like £10 or something. Then we've got some bougie products, guys. We've got some bougie products right now. So we've got a Patrick Tar Major Dimension Eyeshadow 2. Is that what it's called? Major Dimension 2 eyeshadow palette, and then also the Major Headlines Double Take Cream and Powder Blush. So we need to open this up because this is a bougie. It was a bougie purchase. I've been eyeing it up for ages, and I thought, you know what, Chelsea, treat yourself. Like, I don't treat myself all the time, but you know, I thought I deserved it. So excuse my fingerprints on here, because it's very hard not to get your fingerprints on there. But there is the packaging, and it looks unreal. Mind you, when it did arrive slightly broke, as in not the eyeshadows, but the packaging kept getting stuck, but I managed to fix it. And this is what she looks like. How unreal. Beautiful, right? So yeah, there will be a video on this after I've taken photos of her, obviously, you know, standard. Yeah, I also picked up one of the cream blush duos. So this is in the shade She's Baked. Now, when I was looking online, I didn't think this would be as dark, and I think it could work for me. However, actually receiving this, I think I may have gone too dark. So the packaging is just like the eyeshadow palette, but this is the blush shade. I think I'm just gonna have to use it with a very, very light hand. But you've got your cream just here, and then your powder here. I'm gonna give it a go. You know, I spent a lot of money on it, so I kind of need to make it work. I also picked up the Huda Beauty Faux Filter Concealer, which I have been using. However, I've got mixed opinions on this. I'll talk about it in a different video. I've got the shade Honey 1.7B for reference. If anyone's like the same sort of shade as me, this is the perfect shade for a concealer, to be honest. I really like the packaging as well, but yeah, I'll do an end of the month review of all these products that I've been trying, and I'll let you know then how I feel about it. I just want to try it a few more times. Another P. Louise purchase is the Brow Beans palette that I picked up. So this is the eyebrow powder palette, and I bought this from Vinted. Again, it was dead cheap. It doesn't look like it's been used, it just needs a little bit of a clean up because the powders have like got a bit of hit back in it. But look at these two little lights, how cute is that? I'm actually sweating. But yeah, I thought this was a good brow palette to have, especially for when I do clients, because I don't think you can get the ABH one anymore, and obviously this was a lot cheaper. But yeah, I picked that up, and then I also picked up another one of the paints. So this is in the shade Barbie Boo, which is just like the chocolatey brown one, because I see them use it so much on the P. Louise Pro course. And then I picked up two Maybelline lip products. So I'm finally going to try the Superstate Vinyl Ink lipstick. I think this is a lipstick, or is it lipstick / gloss hybrid? I'm not too sure. And then I picked up another one of the Maybelline lifter glosses, because these are some of my favourite. Like, I actually prefer these ones to Fenty. This one's not so much of a glittery one, but let me just swatch it for you now. It's like more of a pigmented gloss. So there's the gloss there, and they just smell unreal as well. Like, if you don't really want to spend the money on Fenty, or even if that, just if you like the Fenty ones, get the Maybelline ones because I just think they're better. And then there's the lipstick / lip gloss hybrid. I don't even know what it is, but I just like the colour of it and I thought, you know what, you're coming home with me. And then last but not least, I actually picked up this bargain buy from Amazon, and I'll link it down below. But I saw George use this in some of his like pro videos that I'm subscribed to, and look at those. So a pack of 20 lashes, I believe. 20, is this 20? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. No, 16. So a pack of 16 lashes. Bear in mind, I did use 2 the other day and absolutely fine. Reviewed for you. And actually I've got them here because I cut them down a little bit so they were like slightly half lashes. Absolutely fine. So yeah, 16 pairs, £10. £10. Unreal as well. Really good quality. Really good like little curl. You can see the curl slightly there. Whisperer on the edges, so you know you can do daytime or nighttime with these. And there's 16 for £10, like unreal. I think everyone needs to buy these. I thought these would be good for when I do clients. But yeah, really good quality, to be honest. And I've seen a lot of people buy these sort of packs from Amazon, and yeah, it says 16 pairs cat eye look, which is what we like. I believe that is everything from what I can see. I've obviously brought more things, but that will go into next month's haul, obviously. Let me know down below what you think of these products. I'll try and link as much as possible down below for you, so then you can go on and buy them if you want to. And yeah, hopefully you should see these in quite a few new videos. I can't wait to put all this new makeup away. It's actually so exciting to put makeup away. But yes, hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please make sure you give it a big thumbs up. Sorry about this sweaty mess, but I had to film. I had to finally film. I'm hoping this audio is working. If it's not, I'm going to have a breakdown. Please wear your SPF, stay in the shade, don't get too hot, stay hydrated, and hopefully I shall see you in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!